Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find someone on VSCO. So first of all, you want to open the VSCO application, so just click on the icon of the VSCO. Then you want to go to the Discovery tab, so this is this right here. Then as you can see in the top of the Discover tab, you are going to find the search bar right here. So you just want to click on this one and here put the specific username that you want to find, because this is the fastest way that you can find somebody. Also, you can find them for the first name and last name, and if they have added it to their VSCO profile. But the fastest way is to just type the username. So just type it, and as you can see, I have just found the profile that I was looking for. So I'm just going to follow it. And this is it. This is how you can find someone on a VSCO. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!